Hi, it's Christine Gallagher, the founder of She'sGotClients.com and the Impact Academy Business School, where we teach our students marketing and mindset strategies to create a more amazing business and life. And today we're talking about how to structure your lead magnet and the content in your lead magnet. So you probably know by now that having a really strong lead magnet or free offer is crucial in order to entice people to sign up with you and give you their contact information. You need to give them something of high value that's irresistible, that makes them want to hand over their email address and their name. But you might be wondering, how do you structure that content? What are the components that should be included? So that's what I'm talking to you about today. And so there are actually 6 components I'm going to go over with you. You don't need to use all of them in your lead magnet, but just know that the more you include, the stronger and more effective your lead magnet will likely be. So the first part is your compelling story. It's great to start out with the story of how you got to be where you are today. This is what we call earning the right. We're earning the right to be in this person's inbox and share our expertise. People want to know, well, who are you and how did you get to this place and why are you qualified? Your compelling story is a great way to share that. So that's a wonderful way to start out your lead magnet and really get that taken care of in the beginning. The second thing that you want to do is explain why the person reading your report or listening to your audio, whatever it might be, is having the problem that they're having. You want to explain the why behind it because it shows that you completely understand and that you can relate and that you have the answer, which again leads us into the next step, which is really about what happens if they don't fix this problem. So you really want to paint a picture of, well, if you don't get this solved, if you don't learn how to fix this, then you might have to experience XYZ in your business, your life, your relationship, whatever it is you're helping people with. That's another way to really show that you understand the problem. Then you also want to talk about the solution, obviously. Describe the solution and especially concentrate on the what of the solution and why that solution is absolutely crucial to solving their problem. Then you want to try to give client examples if possible, where you can share how you've helped other people with this same particular problem. So it's almost like a case study or a success story in terms of this is where the person was before, and then when we worked on this and I gave them the solution, this is where they are now. That's another great way to really boost that credibility for yourself. Then lastly, you want to include a call to action, so important in marketing of any kind. And really, in this case, you want to lead people to the next thing you want them to do. How can you help them further? Maybe that's a product, maybe that's a program, maybe that's getting on the phone with you. But don't forget to leave them with another step. You want to make sure they know what to do after consuming your content. And here's a bonus tip. Include graphics if possible, because that can really make your free offer pop and really break up the text if it's a text document, and you can really make sure that people pay attention to what you've written when you're adding in some great graphics to illustrate it or to really just make that content hit home further. All right, so that is your tip for this week. And what I want you to do is think about your lead magnet. How many of these components do you have and what are you still missing? How can you add these to your lead magnet to make it more effective? Let me know in the comments if you have a lead magnet, what it is, and what you're taking away from this video. So if you loved this, please share it in social media, pass it on to people who need it. If you're not already getting these tips, go to She'sGotClients.com/subscribe so you don't miss any more. It's Christine signing off. I'll see you on our next video strategy.